Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures on your earbuds Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. You have to start by opening the application, and after that go to the custom buttons. And let's work in with it. So, for the left earbud, for the double press, I wanna play previous track. And for the right one, I wanna play next track. Next, for the triple tap for the left earbud, I wanna leave to call voice assistant, but you can change on something else. And for the right one, I wanna change ambient control. And press and hold, I leave it here because we have only two options and it use it and it's comfortable to use. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.